Myself Gautam. So we were very happy to use this product. Like 1 or 2 months, we are using this product. So presently, we are very happy. Not also we, my guest and my colleagues is very easy to handle and is very good to go with this product because we are using this product for our breakfast, for lunch, dinner. So we have the presently we are not finding any difficulties. Previously, we were using normal paper tags. So every day you need to print the new tags from our. It is also time consuming, and also someone want like in night shift only we have two staffs. So one of the staff had to give their time to print the tags manually, and here everything is error free. So here we can select the allergen product or any items name. So it's very easy and less time consuming. Really thankful to Sparsa because they're very helpful and always when we need them, they're always ready to help. So not only us, we also suggested them to use this product because it's very handy and delivery is also good. Okay, the procedure, the guidance, what they are provided, that very good. 5 stars, always 5 star to Sparsa team.